Jai Hind, this is our third video related with the passes in India, and from the starting we are doing the passes of Himalayan region. Earlier we have done the passes of Ladakh, J&K, and in this video we are going to discuss the passes of Uttarakhand. The first important pass of Uttarakhand is Kalandi Pass. This pass connects Gangotri to the Ghastoli village of Uttarakhand. It is located on the elevation of 5,942 meter. In the west side of this pass, there is a Gangotri glacier, which is a source of the river Bhagirathi. This is the second highest pass of Himalayan region. Swami Prabodhanand Das organized the first Indian expedition to cross this pass. And he was inspired by John Auden's account about this pass. He mentioned about this pass in his report survey about the Garhwal Himalayas in 1936. The next important pass is Lippu Lake, which is located on the tri-junction of India, Nepal and Tibet. This pass connects the Indian state of Uttarakhand with the Tibet region of China. It is located on the elevation of 5,115 meter. This pass has a religious significance, being an integral part of Kailash Mansarovar Yatra. Devotees take the journey through the Lippu Lake to reach Mount Kailash. Mount Kailash lies west to this part, which is the abode of Lord Shiva. It is the first Indian border post which was opened to trade with China in 1992 near Taklakot. This was followed by the opening of Shipkala in Himachal Pradesh in 1992 and Nathula in Sikkim in 2006. There is some history which is also related with this pass. During the times when British were ruling India, they had fought with Nepal kings in order to gain over the territory, which helps the British to connect with the Eastern Asia. This led to Anglo-Nepalese War. The war stopped with the Sugoli Treaty of 1816, which was signed between the East India Company and Rajguru Gajraj Mishra. And this treaty defines the boundaries of the territories between India and Nepal. Initially, Kalapani, Lippu Lake and Lipiadhura were included in a Nepal territory. But later, East India Company came to know about the importance of these territories to maintain the opium trade with China. Company issued a revised map which included Kalapani, Lippu Lake and Lipiadhura from the first proposed map of the Treaty of Sugoli in Indian territory. After scrapping the Article 370, Government of India issued a new political map of India in which all these areas are shown in Indian territory, which raised the dispute between India and Nepal. The next important pass of Uttarakhand is Mana Pass, which is also known as Chongni La Pass. It is located on the elevation of 5,632 meter. This pass is located in the Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve. This pass is also the source of Saraswati River. And Hindu pilgrimage town Badrinath is just located 52 km north of this pass. Mana name is derived from the Manibhadra Ashram, which is the ancient name of Mana town. Mana Pass serves as a border between the India and Tibet region of China. Portuguese Jesuit Antonio de Andrade and Manuel Marx were the first European who entered Tibet through this pass in 1624. This pass was the minor trade until 1951. After that, it was closed by China. On 26 April 1954, China and India signed an agreement granting pilgrims and natives to travel between the two countries through the Mana Pass. Free Soul Rider Motorcycle Club were the first non-military citizen to scale the heights of Mana Pass. Mana is also the last village of India in Uttarakhand region. Next pass is Mangshar Dhura, which connects Tibet and Uttarakhand, India. Elevation of 5,674 meter and located in Kuthi Valley of Uttarakhand. This pass is also used by the pilgrims traveling to Mansarovar. Next pass is Mayali Pass, which is located on the elevation of 5,400 meter. This pass connects Bhagirathi Valley to Mandakini Valley. During the Mana track route, there are very beautiful landscapes like Sahasratal, Khush Kalyan Plateau and Masartal. Next is Odin's Call, which is located on the elevation of 5,490 meter. This pass connects Rudrugira Valley of Gangotri to Bhilangana Valley of Kedarnath. This pass is named after John Bicknell Auden of Geological Survey of India, who was first discovered it in 1935 and crossed it in 1939. By crossing the Auden Calls and Mayali Pass, one can track from Gangotri to Kedarnath. Next is Nama Pass, which is located on the elevation of 5,200 meter, located in the eastern Kumayu region of Pithoragarh district of Uttarakhand. This pass links Kuthi Valley to Dharma Valley. Once this pass was a very busy trade route to Tibet, but now it is rarely used. Next is Niti Pass, located at 5,070 meter above sea level. Niti Pass is also the vehicle accessible pass. This pass is located ahead of the Niti village, and to go to this pass, the special permit is needed. Niti Pass was an ancient trade route between India and China, but it was sealed after the War of 1962 between India and China. Since then, this border is remained sealed. Between the villages of Gamshali and Niti, there is a cave temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, which is known as Timarsena Mahadev. Next is Sinla Pass, located on the elevation of 5,495 meter. Sinla Pass can take you to the area which is bordered by India, Nepal and China. This pass connects Vidang in Dharma Valley to Joling Kong Lake in the Kuthi Yangti Valley. On the track route of this pass, one can have a magnificent view of Panchachuli and Adi Kailash Peak. The next is Trails Pass. This pass was reached by G.W. Trails in 1830, and he was the first British Deputy Commissioner of Kumaon Division. Trails Pass was earlier known as Pindari Kanda. Next important pass is Tunjun La, located on the elevation of 4,976 meter, located on the border between India and China, and it is located in Kumaon Himalayas. This pass is closed for the foreigners. Just about 4 kilometers southwest of Tunjun La, Barahoti sloping plain pastures are located in the middle sector of disputed Sino-China border, situated in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. Just about 4 kilometers southwest of Tunjun La, Barahoti sloping plain pastures are located in the middle sector of disputed China-Indian border, situated in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. This entire disputed area also goes by the name of Baraholi or sometime Barahoti Sangchamla Laptal disputed area. This entire area is located on Ganga side of Satluj Ganga water divide, which is also the current line of actual control between India and China. The next is Rupin Pass, located on the elevation of 4,650 meter. This pass starts from Dhaula in Uttarakhand and ends in Sangla of Himachal Pradesh. Next pass is Barasu Pass, located on the elevation of 5,450 meter above sea level. The pass is located on the border of Himachal and Uttarakhand and near the border with Tibet. This pass was the ancient trade route between Valley and Kinnaur Valley of Himachal Pradesh. This pass divides Uttarakhand from Himachal Pradesh.